Alright, we're gonna make this quick and simple. You go to levelrewards.com. I'm already a member, so I'm logged in. You just register. Hit these three lines. Go to status. Scroll on down. Look, folks is joining and leveling up. Right here. Switch sponsors, or it might say add sponsor. That's where you add me. Michael74 should be in your email. Go on back up to the top. We'll click offers. I say do road save. That's automatically going to put you at a level 2, or you'll earn $10 per referral. And then if you want to level up some more, do the movie shows. That'll put you at level 3. Do eVoice. That's going to put you at level 4. And Moneyflix if you like. That'll put you at level 5. I mean, there's plenty more offers if you see something that you really, really want to do. But those are the quick ones. Doesn't cost a lot. And you're done. Send me your PayPal email. I send you money along with some training for the WOD Squad. One love. Have a blessed day.